Once upon a time in the sultry heat of Atlanta, Georgia, a pharmacist named Dr. John S. Pemberton concocted a mysterious elixir in 1886. This magical potion contained coca leaves and cola nuts, among other secret ingredients, and was initially marketed as a medicinal tonic. Little did anyone know that this humble beginning would lead to one of the world's most iconic brands, Coca-Cola. As the years passed, a visionary named Asa Candler recognized the true potential of this tonic. He acquired the formula in 1892 and founded the Coca-Cola Company, setting the stage for a remarkable journey. Coca-Cola's rise was meteoric. It wasn't just a drink. It became a symbol of joy, unity, and refreshment. With its unique contour bottle and unforgettable logo, Coca-Cola started to etch itself into the hearts of millions. Then came the Great Depression, a crisis that tested the mettle of this budding brand. But Coca-Cola, through ingenious marketing and messaging, conveyed its affordability and value during tough times. It didn't just survive, it thrived. World War II saw Coca-Cola's global expansion thanks to military supply contracts. American soldiers overseas discovered the magic of Coca-Cola, and the brand went global. But like all great stories, Coca-Cola faced its share of challenges. The new Coke debacle in 1985 was a lesson in staying true to your roots. Coca-Cola quickly returned to its classic formula, reminding us that authenticity matters.
The best soft drink, Coca-Cola, is now going to be even better. Simply stated, we have a new formula for Coke.
Today, Coca-Cola stands tall, but it's not just about the fizzy drink anymore. It's about sustainability, diversity, and community. Coca-Cola is committed to making the world a better place through recycling, responsible sourcing, and social initiatives. The moral of this story is clear. Even the most humble beginnings can lead to greatness.
There's nothing like ice-cold Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola teaches us that a brand can transcend borders, becoming a symbol of happiness and refreshment for people all over the world. So, raise a glass to the enduring story of Coca-Cola.